Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to do file and printer sharing using two computers, one printer, and one router, or simply by following this diagram. So now, let's start. First, we will be using the computer A where our printer is connected. So now that we're here on our first computer where the printer is connected, first we will run the CMD, then enter, then check the IP address, ipconfig, then you can see here the IPv4 address and the subnet mask, and we're going to change that by simply right-clicking on this network, then open network sharing, change adapter setting, then double-click, then properties, then Internet Protocol version 4, then properties, then use the following IP address. Then to use the following IP address, you can use the desired IP address that you want. Then 192.168.1.10, that is what we'll be using. Then tab for the subnet mask, it will be automatically provided. Then OK, close, close, then X. Then we're going to check again if the IP address is changed, ipconfig, then enter. And you can see that the IPv4 address is now changed as well as the subnet mask. So, let's close this for now. Now we're going to change the computer name. Go to the start menu, right click on the computer, properties, then change settings. Then here, click the change. Then the computer name, let's name it Dancel, which is our surname. And the work group, Rizal, which is our section. Then OK. Then wait for it to load. Then here there will be notification that welcome to the Rizal work group, which means it has been changed. Then OK. Here you must restart the computer again. OK. Then close. Then close. Now we're going to restart the computer. Now that we are restarting the computer, we now need to wait for a while. Open the computer. Then we are going to check later on if the work group has been changed. So click the start menu. Then right click on the computer, properties. Then after that, you can see here that the computer name has been changed to Dancel and the work group to Rizal. Then close. Then now we will be going to this network again, then open network and sharing. That. And we'll have to wait it for load. Then advanced sharing settings. then turn on the network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, turn on public folder sharing, then leave the file sharing connection as is, then turn off password protection sharing, then save changes here, then close. And now we'll be going to the printer sharing. So go to the control panel. Here, the control panel. Then hardware and sound, device and printers. Then right click on the Epson L220, which is our printer. Printer properties. Sharing. Then share this printer. Apply. And OK. So now we will be doing another optional setting. If you want, go to the System and Security, Windows Firewall. You're going to turn off the Windows Firewall in order for the computer B to access files of the computer A. So here, since we're using the public network location, we're going to turn this off, then OK. As you can see, there's a notification that the firewall has been offed. Then close. Then close. So now, let's proceed to the computer B, where we will be accessing the computer A, the file, the project plan that is saved here, and that will be printed by the computer B. Now we will be doing the computer B to print the file on the computer A. So here's the computer B that we will be using. Here's the computer B. There. So here's the computer B that we will be using. Here's the computer B. There. So in the computer B, you can see that we will be going to the Windows Explorer, then network, then click this, the Dancel, which is the computers that we've changed earlier, then then. So here, we're going to enter this now. Then on the Epson L220 series, the printer, right click, connect, so that we'll be able to connect to the printer while we're using the computer B. So just wait for it to connect. Now that it is successfully connected, go to the users, the public, then the documents where we have saved the file from the computer A, then project plan front, and the other file, the project plan. So here we will be printing this now, the project plan that we have made. File, print, then select the printer, then print. As you can see, we can now print. Yet, as I've said earlier, the printer is connected to the computer A, not to the computer B. So now we're going to wait for it to print. So now we're done using the computer A and B of this tutorial. So now, as you can see, we have printed the project plan that is saved on the computer A. We print it using the computer B. So now, let's end this video tutorial. And 3, 2, 1.